Growing up, the holidays were always about traditions for my family. From baking cookies every year with my mom, to decorating the tree as a family, and even getting to pick out a new ornament each year were highlights that I'll never forget. I always look forward to those happy times. And now that I'm a mom, my husband and I are excited to start our own traditions that our daughter Lily will remember for a lifetime. The art of collecting has always been something that my mom loves and continues to do. I'm excited to start my own collection of Lemax houses to build the perfect village for my family. Lemax is a family-run company that's rich in tradition since 1990. I know that they put a lot of love and thought into the creation of each one of their houses and pieces to create the perfect village for a family like mine. Lemax has 9 themes for creating year-round, but Christmas is by far my favorite. There are so many different houses and pieces to build the perfect village for my family. One of my favorite collections is Santa's Wonderland. New this year in the collection is the Kringle's Cottage. Like all the Lemax pieces, it's interactive. This sight and sound piece has a North Pole sign that spins on the roof, an elf that revolves, a reindeer that looks left to right. Mrs. Claus even comes in and out the front door, and there's a train that runs through the cottage. Another new piece in the collection this year is the Victorian Skaters. I love that they glide across the ice, and it looks great in a whole village setup, or can work as an accent on a side table. Lily's favorite piece in our collection is the Yuletide Carousel. She loves that it plays festive carols and that it rotates. There are so many options when it comes to collecting your village. There are traditional houses that may look like yours, or you can go with a fun-themed house like the Fluffy Friends Pet Salon. There are even pieces like these crystal lighted trees that change color based on the theme of your village or your home. The possibilities are endless. You can create a big village setup like I did here, but maybe you don't have a lot of room, so check out my sofa table. I designed it using the Kringle's Cottage, the Yuletide Carousel, and then mixed in a few pieces. This is a quick and easy setup, especially if you don't have a lot of time and want to add the perfect festive touch to your room. Think about using the traditional houses as night lights on a dresser in your room, or even dressing up the kitchen with Victorian Skaters or the crystal light-up trees. Keep in mind that each piece has volume control and power switches, so you can easily turn it on and off. The combinations are limitless. With all of the different houses and pieces, you can design a village that's perfect for your family. Each year, Lemax releases new additions to their collections. I'm excited to pick out new pieces each year with Lily and design our village together. I know that she's going to remember these traditions for a lifetime. Lemax is available at my go-to craft retailer, Michael's Stores, as well as Kmart, Sears, Ace Hardware, and online retailers like eHobby Tools and Gift Spice. For more information on collections and inspiration for designing your village, visit lemaxcollection.com. Happy holidays!